Your boss hands you a 200-page PDF and says, build a chatbot that answers questions about this. You open it up, two-column layouts, tables, headers, footers, watermarks, and some pages are scanned images. Step 1, extract the text. Way harder than it sounds. Here's what most people don't realize. A PDF doesn't store paragraphs or sentences. It stores low-level drawing instructions. Set this font, move to this coordinate, draw these characters. There's zero concept of reading order. Multi-column layouts. The PDF has no idea those are columns. Let's start simple. PDF reads the PDF's internal text streams directly. No AI, no OCR. It works great for single-column, left-to-right text, but throw a multi-column layout at it and the text gets completely interleaved. Tables, forget it, cells become jumbled nonsense. Step up 2, and you get layout awareness. The killer feature, table extraction. It understands cell boundaries and pulls out structured data. It also handles multi-column layouts better by analyzing character positions on the page. For complex documents, unstructured.io is a game changer. It uses an AI layout detection model called 2 to identify titles, paragraphs, tables, images, and their reading order. It doesn't just extract text, it understands the document structure. There's also IBM's open-source Parser. It uses transformer models for layout detection and outputs clean markdown with proper headers, tables, and structure. Just a few lines of code and you get beautifully formatted output. What about web pages? HTML is structured but noisy, nav bars, sidebars, ads, cookie. You could strip tags manually with beautiful soup, but does it automatically? It's designed to extract the main article content, and it works 90% of the time. When your document is a scanned image, photos of whiteboards, handwritten notes, image-only PDFs, you need OCR. Is free and open source. Easy OCR handles multiple languages better. And for the really tough stuff, Vision LLMs like GPT-4o can see the layout and understand it. Now let's talk about the hardest problem, tables. A simple table with name, role, and experience columns. PDF sees it as one flat string. Name, role, experience, engineer 12 years. All structure is gone. You can't tell which value belongs to which column. For tables, you have 3 solid approaches. Detect cell boundaries using ruled lines. Camelot is a specialized table extractor that gives you pandas data frames directly. And unstructured with high-res mode uses AI to detect and preserve table structure as HTML. The future is multimodal parsing. Skip text extraction entirely, feed the raw document image to a vision model and let it understand the content. Llama Parse does exactly this, using GPT-4o under the hood to produce clean markdown from even the messiest documents. Here's your decision tree. Simple text PDF, PDF or has tables, or Camelot, complex layout, unstructured or scanned or image PDF, OCR first. Need critical accuracy, go with a Vision LLM. Web page. Match the tool to the problem. Remember, parsing quality determines RAG quality. Invest your time here before optimizing embeddings, chunking, or retrieval. Get the text right first, and everything downstream gets better. Next episode, we're cracking open embedding models, which one to pick and why dimensions matter.